call, try and find the parent.
Hi, buddy. Here.
I know it's cold. I know. Yeah, can you give me your thing? I know, baby. Come here. I know, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, honey bear. Will you give her the plate? I haven't given her the plate. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on. I know it's cold. He's got cold water all over him from me pouring this water bottle on him, trying to cool him down, but if we could check his
Darcy,
temperature.
we'll take it. We got an ambulance coming. Assessment on real quick.
He's so cute. Yeah, he was screaming whenever I got him. You can tell he's still really hot.
Yeah, he's warm to the touch.
But I've been pouring this cold water down his neck.
How you doing, little buddy? Is he crying?
Yeah, he was screaming. And you can tell he's still like, his body's really hot, but I've poured cold water all down his neck so he's soaked. But his legs and stuff are really hot.
Did they say how long he was in there?
We have no idea. Somebody got out of the car next to the truck and heard him screaming.
Yeah.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.